What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So today what we're going to be doing is I got the K2 Plus here, and the reason why I got these was because, man, when this print head gets to going, man, this whole thing is shake. And this table right here is stable. Okay, I've even got it attached to the wall and everything, trying to keep this table from being shook to death. And the reason why I got these feet is because I plan on putting another printer over here. So I got some of these. They're the Hula. And we're going to be installing these today, and I'm going to show you how. So let me get my CFS off the top here and get this thing, and I got some padding. I'm going to lay this thing on its back onto some padding, and I'll be right back. So I'm going to show y'all where I go to where I went to get these Voxel Hula feet. So you go to voxelpla.com, and you just scroll down a little bit, and right there they are. It's the Hula feet. You go down, and there's a right there you'll see Creality K2 series, and they're only for them to be completely put together is only $12.99 plus shipping. Now you can get it with just a hardware and TPU, and you put it together, but you know, $3 to $4. Let them put them together and send them to you. That's what I did. But yeah, $12.99 plus shipping, and you know, can't really beat that. And I live in Georgia, and these were shipped from California, and they got to me within about 3 to 4 days after they shipped it. But shoot, yeah. All right, so I got this thing on its back, and these are the feet that's on it. So apparently, by going by the instructions, which are on this, scan this for a QR code. So you just scan that and let it upload, and right there's your instructions. Easy peasy. And now mine, it does have the newer version, so you'd put that on and then just slip the Hula part over it. There you go. But so apparently there's two different styles of feet on the K2 Plus. The older version, apparently, I don't know, it said you just have to read the instructions. It comes with instructions. I don't have to go over the instructions with y'all. So, but I think these are the newer feet. So CRV 3-bit. Go ahead and take this off so we can check it. Come out of there. Come out of there, screw. There we go. All right. So, as you can see, on this foot, this is the foot that I took off, and it's got this little plug that fits into this right here, and then your screw hole. Well, the part that comes with the Hula also has that. So we're going to screw this in to the place where I took this off, and Go ahead and get your screw started here. Then just put that plug into where it's supposed to go. And then I'm going to slowly put this screw in. And now this should just pop right on. Like that. So, let's do the other one. Take this off. And just pop it on. Voila. Alright, so y'all watch me put the 2 front feet on. I'm going to go ahead and do the 2 back feet off of camera. And then once I get this thing put back up, I'm going to start just a benchy. I'm going to put it in fast mode, like 125% on this thing. And I'm going to film the feet in action. Be back with you once I get this thing upright and everything sit back on it. So as you can see, I have this thing running at 125% and it is moving pretty freaking fast. Let me see if I can show you the screen here. Maybe I can get it to focus. As you can see right there. I have it on ultra fast. Get this thing focused back in. So as you can see, every time the head goes crazy, the machine moves, but it moves inside the hula feet. You see that? It's almost like shock absorbers. So heck yeah. Alrighty, let's get back up to the top here. So, what'd you think about that? It is a super easy install. I mean, if you take off all the stuff off your K2 Plus and get it turned on its back, I mean, it's literally, you know, at most a 10-minute install. It's probably one of the easiest mods that I have ever done. And anyways, I hope y'all liked the video, and I hope this video was helpful in case you want to do the install yourself. And as you can see, I showed y'all what the feet does. I've got this thing running at 125%, and it's actually printed at benchy pretty freaking good. I have a video to where I put the X1 Carbon in ludicrous mode, and it printed that benchy really fast and pretty good. So, I mean, I don't know what else to tell you, except nothing on my table is moving or anything. These hula feet is really absorbing. The machine's still able to move, but those shock absorbers is keeping it into that location instead of transferring out to the whole table. So anyways, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so y'all don't miss any more videos. And thank y'all for watching again. Peace.